Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to problem number 4, question 4, on the 2008 grade 7 Gauss paper. A regular polygon has perimeter of 108 centimeters, and each side has length 12 centimeters. How many sides does this polygon have? Okay. So we need to understand the relationship between perimeter, side length, and what is meant by regular polygon in this case. Alright. So we'll go over to our notepad. We'll just make some observations. So a regular polygon is something like an equilateral triangle or a square in that all the side lengths are the same length. Okay, and we typically denote that in geometry by putting dashes through sides that have the same length. And sometimes you can use double dash if you've got another length that's repeated, that sort of thing. But all the sides are the same length. Okay. Now, perimeter, for something like a triangle, an equilateral triangle, if I know the side length is, I don't know, we have no idea, let's call him S. I've got 3 S's. The perimeter is just the sum of all the lengths, so the perimeter in this case would be 3S. For something like a square, maybe its side length is x. I don't know. I've got 4 x's. So the perimeter, sum of all the side lengths, is 4x. How about for any old polygon? Well, again, side length is, the perimeter is the sum of all the side lengths. And if all these lengths are the same, then I know the perimeter is the number of sides times side length. Okay, well, I want to know the number of sides. I want to know what type of polygon this is. Now, I know the perimeter is 108, and I know the side length is 12, and I'll just double check those numbers. 108, 12. Okay, so how many sides does this polygon have? I'll rearrange to solve for number of sides. So number of sides is the perimeter over side length. Just rearranging the equation, but that's 108 over 12, and that is 9. I will double check that on a calculator, but I'm fairly certain it's 9. Yep. So that would mean 9 is the number of sides. Okay, so we'll just write it over here in the big white space, 9, and that is an answer of D. There we go. Now we used up all the space here. Let us flip the page for question number 5, which will be coming up in the next video. I will see you guys for that short.